How to have two accounts on Monopoly Go with the latest update. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the simple and easy steps right here. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and open up the Monopoly Go application, and you want to make sure that you have this specific account right here or the first account connected to a Facebook or Google Play Store account. In our case, we're going to be using the Facebook method because it is going to be easier. Now you want to click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. And from here, you simply want to click on settings. Inside settings, click on the manage account button. And from here, you want to make sure that you connect your account to the Facebook binding account right here. Now this can go ahead and make sure that we don't lose all of our progress to this first account. And right after that, you can just head back to your mobile device right here. And right after that, you simply want to head over to the Monopoly Go settings. And inside Monopoly Go, click on the storage and cache button. And from here, you want to click on clear storage. Now this will go ahead and delete the app data for the Monopoly Go application. But since we have saved our account on the Facebook account, there will be no problem. Right after deleting the storage data for Monopoly Go, you want to head over to the Facebook application. And once inside, you can just go ahead and change the Facebook to another account. Right after changing the Facebook to another account, you want to go ahead and open up Monopoly Go once again. And once inside, you can then go ahead and see the connect button to Facebook button. But since we are using a new Facebook account, we can then go ahead and start another account on Monopoly Go. And if you want to go ahead and go back to the first account, you can just go ahead and repeat the steps that we have discussed on this video, which is deleting the storage data, changing the Facebook account, and opening back Monopoly Go. If this video has been helpful, please leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.